Hey there! Welcome back to Profitify, your go-to channel for all things business and entrepreneurship. Today we're diving into one of the hottest topics in the world of e-commerce, dropshipping. If you're wondering what dropshipping is, imagine running a store without ever having to worry about stocking inventory or managing a warehouse. Sounds like a dream, doesn't it? But that's the reality of dropshipping. Here's a quick breakdown. Dropshipping is a retail fulfillment method where a store doesn't keep the products it sells in stock. Instead, when a store sells a product, it purchases the item from a third party and has it shipped directly to the customer. Picture this. You set up an online store showcasing a variety of products from suppliers all around the globe. When a customer makes a purchase on your website, you simply forward that order to your supplier, who then ships the product directly to the customer. And just like that, you've made a sale without ever touching the merchandise. But that's not all. One of the most enticing aspects of dropshipping is that you don't have to invest a significant amount of capital up front. Unlike traditional retail, which often requires an extensive investment in inventory, dropshipping allows you to start your own business with minimal financial risk. Imagine being able to launch your very own online store from the comfort of your own home with just a laptop and an internet connection. It's like having your own virtual storefront open all day, every day, ready to cater to customers from all corners of the globe. And the variety of products you can offer through dropshipping is virtually limitless. From trendy fashion items to cutting-edge gadgets, you can curate a diverse range of products to appeal to your target audience and keep them coming back for more. Now, you might be wondering, is dropshipping too good to be true? Are there any drawbacks? Well, stick around because we're about to explore the pros and cons of dropshipping in depth. Plus, we'll be sharing some expert tips to help you succeed in this competitive landscape. So whether you're just starting out in the world of e-commerce or looking for new opportunities, dropshipping might just be the game changer you've been waiting for. But that's the beauty of dropshipping. So, how does dropshipping work in practice, you might be wondering? Let's break it down. Imagine this scenario. You're an online store owner. You've carefully curated a selection of products from suppliers all around the world, showcasing them on your slick, user-friendly website. A customer browses through your store, finds a product they love, and decides to make a purchase. Now, what happens next? Well, instead of you scrambling to package the product, print shipping labels, and send it out, you simply forward the order to your supplier. That's right, the supplier takes over from here. They package the product, handle the shipping, and deliver it directly to your customer's doorstep. And the best part, your customer doesn't even know the product came from a third-party supplier. As far as they're concerned, it came straight from your store. Now let's talk about payment. When your customer made that purchase, they paid the retail price that you set. Once you forward the order to your supplier, you pay them the wholesale price for the product. The difference between these two prices is your profit. Simple, isn't it? This process repeats for every order that comes through your online store. You never have to worry about stocking inventory or managing a warehouse. You never have to deal with packaging or shipping. All you need to do is market your products, provide great customer service, and watch the orders roll in. But what about returns or defective products, you ask? Well, most suppliers will offer a return policy. If a customer isn't satisfied with their purchase, they can return it directly to the supplier for a refund. Again, you're removed from this process, making your life as a store owner that much easier. And voila, you just made a sale without ever touching the merchandise. This is the magic of dropshipping, a business model that allows you to focus on what you do best, selling products and growing your brand. So, are you ready to take the plunge into the world of dropshipping? Stay tuned for our next segment where we'll discuss the benefits of this exciting e-commerce strategy. But wait, there's more. You see, dropshipping isn't just about simplifying the retail process, it's about opening doors to exciting opportunities without the traditional headaches of running a physical store. Let's explore some of the standout benefits. First off, there's the financial aspect. Traditional retail often requires a significant investment in inventory, but with dropshipping, you can kickstart your business without breaking the bank. There's no need to purchase products up front. You only buy what your customers have already bought from you. This means you can start your venture with minimal financial risk, making dropshipping a particularly attractive model for budding entrepreneurs. Now let's talk about flexibility. With dropshipping, you're not tied down to a physical location. Whether you're at a coffee shop, on a beach, or in the comfort of your own home, as long as you have a laptop and an internet connection, you're in business. Your store operates round the clock, ready to cater to customers from all corners of the globe. Talk about convenience. What about product range? Well, with dropshipping, the world is your oyster. You can offer a vast array of products without worrying about storage space. From high-tech gadgets to handcrafted artisan goods, you have the freedom to curate an inventory that aligns with your brand and appeals to your target audience. This diversity not only helps attract a wider customer base, but also keeps them coming back for more. And let's not forget the reduced overheads. Without a physical store to maintain or inventory to manage, your operating costs are significantly lower. This means more room for profits and growth, but like any business model, dropshipping isn't without its challenges. It's essential to partner with reliable suppliers, manage customer expectations, and stay ahead of market trends. But with the right approach and a dash of entrepreneurial spirit, the potential rewards can be substantial. It's like having your own virtual storefront open 24/7, ready to cater to customers from all corners of the globe. Now, I know what you're thinking. Is dropshipping too good to be true? Are there any drawbacks? Well, like any business model, dropshipping does come with its own set of challenges. Let's go over some of the potential downsides to this e-commerce model. First, there's the issue of low margins. Since dropshipping is so easy to start, it's a highly competitive field. To attract customers, many dropshippers slash their prices, which can cut into profits. If you're selling low-cost items, the profit margins can be razor thin. Second, there's the challenge of inventory issues. Unlike traditional retailers who have full control over their inventory, dropshippers are reliant on their suppliers. If a supplier runs out of stock or discontinues a product, it can leave you in a bind and potentially disappoint your customers. Speaking of customers, managing their expectations can be a tricky task. Since you're not in control of the shipping process, there can be delays or errors that are out of your hands. This can lead to customer dissatisfaction and negative reviews, which can harm your online reputation. Then there's the issue of supplier errors. If a supplier sends out the wrong item or the product arrives damaged, guess who the customer is going to blame? That's right, you. Even though it's not your fault, as the retailer, you're the face of the business, and it's your responsibility to resolve these issues. Lastly, it can be a challenge to build a strong brand with dropshipping. When you're selling products from various suppliers, maintaining a consistent brand image can be difficult. This could potentially affect customer loyalty and repeat business. But don't let these challenges deter you. With careful planning, a solid strategy, and a customer-centric approach, it's possible to overcome these hurdles and build a successful dropshipping business. Stick around because we're about to explore the pros and cons of dropshipping in depth. So, whether you're a budding entrepreneur looking to dip your toes into the world of e-commerce or a seasoned business owner seeking new opportunities, dropshipping might just be the game changer you've been waiting for. We've taken an in-depth look at what dropshipping is all about and the potential it holds for you as an entrepreneur. Remember, dropshipping is a retail model where you sell products on your online store without ever having to stock any inventory. When a customer makes a purchase, you simply pass the order details to your supplier, who then ships the product directly to the customer. This means you can start a business with minimal upfront investment and financial risk. We've also explored the benefits of dropshipping, which include the ability to operate your business from anywhere with an internet connection, the freedom to offer a wide variety of products, and the opportunity to scale your business with ease. However, we've also touched on the challenges that come with dropshipping, such as supplier errors, shipping complications, and the need for excellent customer service. But don't let these challenges deter you. With careful planning, a strong work ethic, and a commitment to providing a great customer experience, you can navigate these hurdles and build a successful dropshipping business. It's all about choosing the right products, finding reliable suppliers, and creating a strong online presence. So, if you're ready to embrace the world of e-commerce and create your own online store, dropshipping could be the perfect fit for you. It's a flexible, scalable, and potentially profitable business model that's well suited to today's digital age. Thanks for tuning in to Profitify. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable insights into the world of online business. Until next time, happy dropshipping.